5 specialized manufacturing solutions, but at one source. That is what INDO-MIM have promoted themselves as one solution at Hannover Messe 2023. We are just finishing the exhibition and we are having with us Senthil Siva, who will be sharing with his experience of how INDO-MIM performed here in this Messe.
Yes, thank you, Hari. As you rightly pointed out, we've been promoting our company as a one-stop solutions for manufacturing all sorts of complex components and providing an excellent services not only in just delivering the components and also providing some inputs on how to design the components as well, but to be a handholder right from the design until the executions and ramping up the productions and also on the following up of the programs once the program ends. Basically, we take a cradle-to-cradle approach actually. So that's what we are trying to do, and that's what we are trying to communicate with our customers here in Hannover. So, and I think we are fairly successful in that because of the responses that what we got, and also the recent changes in the past few years. In the COVID situations, after COVID, many exhibitions are starting in a full-fledged, but at the same time, the digital platform also showing and shoring up our presence, and that also has helped us a lot in terms of pushing a lot many visitors to our stall. And I hope that the next shows that we will be able to sustain the similar kind of success or even surpass them. So once again, thank you everyone for visiting us and keeping us engaged and making ourselves a happy participant in this Hannover exhibitions in the last 5 days. Thank you everyone.
INDO-MIM is popularly known as a MIM company, but now you have grown above that.
Yes.
So the people who are working with you for a long time, they may be visiting here. So how they see this change, the approach, what you brought into the INDO-MIM?
For many of them, it wasn't a surprise knowing our company that how we are taking giant leaps in terms of increasing our capacity and also our capabilities. Because most of the companies that who knows INDO-MIM, they know that we have started with a small base and keep on growing, adding sales revenues as well as projects as well as different capabilities. So they know that, and we are known for that. And for them, that it's not a surprise that we are venturing into different fields. And for many companies who are, there was a little bit of a gap in terms of understanding how INDO-MIM has grown, but still they know what INDO-MIM is. It's been a pleasant surprise for them, and they have promised a lot more projects or the possibilities to collaborate with us. So that's something which this show has been really successful.
So I don't have to ask, just like any other companies, what are your plans? Because you are already your vision is very clear. From 2008, so it's a big time, it's almost around 15 years you are there in Europe. So where do you see INDO-MIM going as an organization in the Europe in the next 5 years maybe?
Yes, there have been a lot of discussions about these projects which the management is taking care in, mainly in terms of expanding our services, expanding our capabilities, and also venturing into new possibilities in the same technology, maybe new materials. So we are trying to put up an action plan, and definitely in the next few months things will be much more clearer.
So we are very happy to bring you updates and stories from INDO-MIM, one of the biggest manufacturer of MIM, with capabilities, with the kind of infrastructure they have global leaders. So we're very happy to bring these stories, and thanks Shanker for giving that the patience and the time what you shared with us in explaining all these technologies to us. Thank you.
Definitely, thanks. It's all well worth sharing with you as well, Hari. Thank you for the good job.